What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to do a quick video and show you how to get your Acura RDX started if your key fob dies. Whether that be a dead battery or some other issue, I'm going to show you how you can still get your car started. So we're going to be doing it on a 2013 Acura RDX here, but it will be the same on quite a few different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start it as I normally would, I'm going to get this message telling me I need to hold the remote near the stop start button. So take our remote and just put it near the stop start button, and you'll hear that beep, and it'll basically just tell you to start it as you normally would. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.